In the chilling skies of World War II, where every second meant survival or destruction, one fighter emerged as the Soviet Union's high-altitude guardian, the MiG-3. A machine built for speed, precision, and survival at extreme altitudes. This was not just a fighter. This was a statement of Soviet engineering power. The MiG-3 was introduced in 1941, designed by Artem Mikoyan and Mikhail.Gurevich, the same legendary team that would later create the feared MiG family of fighter jets. It was developed as an improvement over the MiG-1, focusing on altitude performance to intercept enemy bombers before they reached Soviet cities. With a sleek fuselage, retractable landing gear, and a powerful AM-35A engine, the MiG-3 reached speeds of up to 640 kilometers per hour at 7,800 meters. Its long pointed nose and streamlined frame made it one of the fastest Soviet fighters at altitude. However, this advantage came with a cost. At lower altitudes, the MiG-3 struggled, making it difficult for inexperienced pilots to master. The MiG-3 played a vital role during the early stages of the German invasion in Operation Barbarossa. It was often tasked with intercepting German reconnaissance, planes, and high-flying bombers. In the hands of skilled pilots, the MiG-3 became a dangerous predator, capable of diving from high altitudes with deadly accuracy. Among its most famous pilots was Alexander Pokryshkin, a Soviet ace who scored many of his early victories in the MiG-3. Despite the aircraft's difficulties, at low altitude, these elite pilots used the jet's altitude advantage to surprise German fighters from above. The MiG-3 was fast, powerful, and unmatched at high altitude, but it was poorly armed, carrying only one 12.70mm machine gun and two 7.62mm machine guns, insufficient against heavily armored German bombers. Moreover, at low altitude, where most of the air battles took place, the MiG-3 became vulnerable. Although the MiG-3 was eventually replaced by aircraft like the Yak-1 and Leji-3, it paved the way for the legendary MiG series that dominated Cold War skies. The MiG-3 proved that Soviet engineers could build fighters not just for survival, but for supremacy.